So for this problem, we're doing an input and an output. So for A, it's asking what number would you have to use as the input if you wanted the not 39 as the output. So we're going to work from bottom to top and flip the operation. So instead of dividing, we're going to multiply. And subtract, we're going to add, multiply, divide, add, subtract. So we'll do 39 times 2 because we're flipping the operation, and we'll get 78. And then we'll do 78 plus 18 and get 96. And then we'll take 96 and divide that by 6 and get 16. And then we'll do 16 minus 7 and get 9. So you would need an input of 9 to get an output of 39. So for B, it's asking the same thing, just with a different number. What would you have to use as the input to get an output of 48? So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to work from the bottom to the top and flip the operation. So we're going to do 48 times 2 and get 96. And then we'll take 96 plus 18 and get 114. And then we'll do 114 divided by 6 and get 19. And then do 19 minus 7 and get 12. So you would need an input of 12 to get an output of 48. So C is asking us to use a different operation. So we're going to do guess and check. So instead of working from the bottom to the top, we're going to work top to bottom and then just put them in as they are. So we're going to add, we're going to multiply, subtract, and divide. So we'll guess 8. So we'll do 8 plus 7 and get 15. And then do 15 times 6 and get 90. And then do 90 minus 18 and get 72. And then do 72 divided by 2 and get 36, which doesn't work because we need 39. So this doesn't work. So we'll guess 9. So we'll do 9 plus 7, which will give us 16. Then do 16 times 6 and get 96. Then we'll take 96 and subtract that by 18 and get 78. And then do 78 divided by 2, which will get us 39. So 9 works as the input. So then for B, we'll do 12 plus 7 equals 19. And then 19 times 6 equals 114. And we'll do 114 minus 18 equals 96. And then we'll do 96 divided by 2 gives us 48. So 12 works for part B. So D is asking us to solve parts A and B using the use a variable problem solving strategy. So we'll do 3 times an input plus 12 equals 39. So instead, we're going to do it kind of like how we did A and B, and we're going to flip it. So instead of working from left to right, we're going to work right to left. So we'll take 39 minus 12 and get 27. And then we'll do 27 divided by 3 and get 9, which is what we got for part A. And then we'll do 48 minus 12 and get 36, and then do 36 divided by 3 and get 12, which is what we got for part B.